Right, let's talk about Yapword. It's a free word game you play in your browser, and I'll show you how to play it in about 2 minutes. You guess a hidden word, the tiles change colour to help you, and there's an AI emperor sitting there judging every guess. Honestly, it's good fun. So, what is it? Yapword's a daily puzzle, a new word every single day, a bit like Wordle. You get 6 goes to work out a 5 letter word. You type a word, hit enter, and the game tells you how close you were. Same word for everybody that day, so you can compare with your mates. Here's the clever part, the colours. After each guess, every tile turns one of 3 colours. Navy means the letter is right and it's in the right spot. Gold means the letter is in the word, but you've put it in the wrong place. Slate, the grey one, means that letter isn't in the word at all, so take your time and read them. Each guess narrows it down, and by the third or fourth go, you're usually closing in on the answer. Now, here's the twist that makes Yapword different. There's a character called Yapoleon, an AI emperor powered by Gemini, and he's watching your board. He doesn't just cheer you on, he roasts you. If you keep reusing that letter you already know is wrong, he'll let you know. It's cheeky, it's kept fairly clean, and it's the reason people share their games. He's daft, but he's the best part. And if you want it harder, Yapword's got difficulty levels. There's a gentle one with easier words and more guesses, the normal daily game, and a brutal mode where the words are nasty, you get fewer guesses, and Napoleon turns properly savage. And the best bit, it's completely free, no app to install, no account, no sign up. You just open the website and play. So that's Yapword, a daily word game with a cheeky AI emperor. Give it a go and tell me your first word in the comments.